Alrighty, guys, there we go. Welcome to the live stream today. I hope you guys are having a great morning so far. I know the market has kind of been all over the place. We have the SPY slightly lower than last night, but honestly, it's still holding up very well compared to like the lows of yesterday, for example. So honestly, the market's doing pretty good. But hey, thanks for joining up today, guys. Keisha says, good morning, happy Friday, let's go. Yeah, let's kill it today. It's actually been a really good week in the stock market, I will say. We've seen a lot of positive momentum to the upside, and all these big events actually went well. I will say they all, none of them really crashed the market down. Even the GDP data coming out didn't even crash the market, even though it showed that we were in a recession. So I don't know. It's kind of interesting. What are your guys' thoughts on this recession stuff? Do you guys think that we are in a recession? Do you think we aren't? I know a lot of people think that we aren't really in one. Some people are saying we are. Obviously, technically we are, but looking at a lot of different things like the jobs numbers and stuff, it might suggest we aren't. Although, even though jobs are doing okay, inflation and stuff like that is rampant. So I don't know. It's a little strange. It's a little bit different. Every recession has different statistics and stuff like that associated with it. But George says, morning, Tom. I'm out on holidays for the next couple weeks, but we'll try to hop on for some support and thumbs up every now and then. Hey, that's all I can ask for, George. Hey, have a great holiday the next couple weeks. Honestly, take that for you. Have a good time and come back refreshed whenever you're done. If you want to hop on during that and show me some support, then awesome. I'll definitely love it. But hey, George, take that time for you. That's gonna be awesome. So have a good time on your holiday over the next couple weeks, and yeah, come back nice and refreshed. Good morning, Vicky, Power Sport Maniac, J Deep. Thank you guys so much for joining up today. Power Sport says AMD day trade on my radar. Yeah, I was actually really eyeing that one up here, but we ended up flying up. So there we go. AMD's moving up. We got rejected at open, but came flying right up now to the upside. Looks like that might be a play up now, Power Sport. I know initially at market open, it looked like it was going to fall off to the downside, which it did momentarily. It kind of faked out a little bit, but it is flying up now. We're up to 92.60 on AMD. So there we go. That momentum really kept going, and we straight up exploded now. So that's an amazing move. AMD's breaking out and yeah, having a great day. Yeah, that's awesome though. That's an awesome breakout there with AMD. It's starting to really run up. That's actually a really nice move. Wow, there we go, guys. Hey, I'll take that any day of the week. That's an amazing pop right there out of AMD. Let's see what's leading my watch list up. It looks like Amazon is actually leading me to the upside here. Amazon is. We have ZOM moving up too, along with Chevron. These oil plays did well with earnings as expected. These companies they've been doing very, very well lately. Keisha says 250% on ZOM. Yeah, there we go. That's actually amazing, Keisha. That's a really nice move. So there we go. 250%, and all these oil plays are popping up. As we know, the price of gas has been going up, so these companies should make more money, theoretically, as long as we keep buying gas. So, honestly, I know people still are, so it's honestly helping these companies. I haven't even looked into the earnings really too much today yet, but I can just tell right here that they're going to be fairly positive. ZOM's doing great, so I'm glad you killed on that one, Keisha. Amazing trade. Oxy's doing very well this morning. CVX is honestly exploding too. So, yeah, we're seeing great moves with these across the board. Power Sport says he missed his call fill on AMD. Oh, man, yeah, that was really quick, I'll say. That was a very quick pop. It is still overextended, so it might not, honestly, it might not, like, fly up much more, but I hope that maybe we can get up to, like, $94 or something today. Let's see, like, on the long-term 15-minute chart, like, what I can find here on AMD to the upside, because we're filling, like, a bit of a gap. Ooh, we might be able to come up to, like, 95. Ooh, I'm kind of getting excited, guys. This setup is starting to look pretty good. Hopefully we can keep running up with good momentum here. Yeah, that's actually awesome, but Yeah, I could see why you missed that power sport. It was very, very quick with all these movements today. Mike says, happy Friday, everybody. Yeah, thanks for joining. Hopefully you're having a great end of the week here, Mike. Let's kill it today. Elliot says, morning all. I'm so optimistic about the stock market. Me too, you know, things are starting to really turn around here. Obviously, the SPY at open is starting to pull down a little bit, but look at the SPY on the daily chart. I mean, we've been actually coming up off of lows in a pretty good way. There's that low down there around 362.50, and we're running up to around 407 now. That's a pretty big, like 50-point pop almost. So yeah, that's a big move off of lows. I'm pretty optimistic too. So I'm hoping that we can finally start turning around here. It's been a very nice uptrend over the past couple months, or over the past month, I should say, like with July. This month has actually been pretty positive. So yeah, I'll take it. Good movement overall. A lot of these data points that came out were actually positive. You know, I mean, I know obviously, you know, the recession number was bad, but the last time we reported, I think we were negative 1.6% on that GDP growth. Now we're only negative like 0. What was it? 0.4, 0.6% or something. So it's like we're still going in the right direction. It's just obviously it came in negative once again. Sorry about that, guys, but yeah, there we go. The market's doing very well. Looking at that SPY, let's go back to my watch list really quickly, see what we have running here. So Amazon, obviously, like we talked about earlier, up 9.7% overall. That main move in after hours was really what pushed them up. Apple's honestly starting to come back down a little bit. Apple's only like 3 points away from its closing price of yesterday, actually. So very strange to see that to see Apple moving like this. Yeah, this is actually really strange with Apple. So what a weird move. Let's see, CVX, Chevron. There we go. Chevron kept ripping up, guys. These oil plays might be the way to go. You know, they really kept going, and yeah, that momentum really helped continue and like carry these stocks to the upside. Mike says, Disney and Upwork are down. Yeah, Disney and Upwork, they are really flying down, aren't they? Yeah, running down to 103.40 down there at the low. The hell's going on with Disney? Everything else is doing good. Upwork. Now, Upwork doesn't really surprise me too bad, Mike, but I will say Disney, that makes me a little upset. Upwork, you know, they're they're in that growth sector, you know, they're going to be rough, but hopefully Disney can keep coming up here. I mean, honestly, Disney's setup was looking pretty hot the way they broke out above like 105, and momentarily there it was looking really good until this big turnaround. Yeah, that's actually sucks to see. Keisha says, Intel, I was so confidently wrong. Yes, I know, Keisha, I know. I'm actually getting hit on Intel pretty hard too, not gonna lie. I'm holding Intel shares for the longer term, and yeah, they're getting hit pretty good. Yep. Yes, they are. They are getting smackarooed, actually, unfortunately. Ooh. It's okay though. It's just shares. It's I'm holding them for the long term. If you guys want to follow this, I will say I've had a pretty good past couple of years on Intel. You know, it's actually been really, really good nonetheless. So here, I'll show you guys kind of what I did here. So Intel has been really crazy, honestly. Let me turn this off. Intel has been really crazy, honestly, over the past couple of years. You can see how for a while it was just sitting between a humongous range. And while it was in this range, I played this thing like twice, sorry. I don't want to overdo myself here, but I played this 2 times to the upside, and both times were actually really, really good. So the first one was the COVID drop, and I bought in right down here on this blue support that I posted. So I bought in somewhere down around the bottom. I think it was like $47 or $48. And then I sold somewhere up around 60. So that was a pretty big pop. And then I actually did it again. I bought it again right on that support at like 45 or 46. and then sold it again up at the top. This time, I think it was around 62. And then I did it again, though, this time. And as we know, the market said, screw you, Tom. You're not getting 3 in a row on Intel. And then it flew down. But no, nonetheless, though, that is how my thought process was with Intel, because that was a pretty pretty good support that we kept bouncing off of, and we even bounced off of it again. We momentarily went from 44 up to 52, which is still a pretty good pop there momentarily, but obviously it wasn't that big run up towards 60 like I had been seeing in the past. And as always, these stocks don't always hold up. So either way, though, it's down now, down to 35.47, breaking lower. I'm curious where we're going to end up with Intel. I will say $35 and $36 to me is a huge support on Intel, and I feel like that we will hold somewhere down here within this range that I have. I would say we have a good chance to hold somewhere right around 35 even. I really do. I think that's a really good area of support. I think we have a chance to hold there. If we don't hold there, I think we'll have another shot around 33.30, and then I think we'll have another shot down around $30 even. Now, $30 even might be the way to go, but I still feel like that somewhere here around $35 will be another good level. Like I said, tons of bounces in the past around 35, and I feel like Intel could be pretty good off of there. Obviously, though, the moves today are not what you want to see at all. Let's see, how much is it down today alone? Down 10%, so yeah, definitely not a good move for sure. It actually sucks with Intel, guys, I will say. I was hoping to see Intel start to bounce up, but it is what it is. I knew they probably weren't going to do the best. They've been kind of lackluster, honestly, the past year. AMD, guys, there we go. Check out AMD. We're starting to really break out now, up to 93.05. Starting to have that nice explosive movement to the upside today. I mean, hey, this is great. This is great. We're up 1.3%. I feel like AMD... I feel like AMD could honestly go higher. I mean, for real. I'm looking at this daily chart. Yeah, like, let's fill that gap up to 95. Come on, let's get up there, AMD. Let's get up there. That'd be awesome, actually. But hey, there we go. I'll take that positive movement. Having a nice breakout up above that high. Hopefully you got in, Power Sport. It did end up consolidating there for a little while and looking pretty good. But hey, yeah, there we go. AMD had that nice move up this morning. Just going to watch that for a second. Hopefully we can continue up a little higher. It looks like it's having trouble breaking out above $93 here over the past like 2 or 3 minutes. Let's see that 1 minute chart. I'm really hoping for it to continue here. It better not fake us out and only go up. See, it broke yesterday's high at 92.20, and we ran up like 40 cents. So we better start running up more. I mean 80 cents, sorry. But we better start running up a little bit more than that, though. Yeah, hopefully you can get up there. Oh, there we go. Is it breaking? There we go. Come on. Get up there, AMD. I love watching stocks like this. Here we go. All right. Up to 93.04. Come on. I know you want to go. There we go. There we go. Better not fake out after moving up above 92.80 like that. But yeah, let me know what stocks you guys are watching, of course. I'll be interested to look at some more stocks like that. PowerSport came in and said AMD call scalp, bought 5 at 0.24, sold at 0.39. Probably should have held, but can't watch this. Yeah, I'm with you, PowerSport. I can't really watch it either. It's worrying me here, but hey, we're having a good move. Almost up to 94 now on AMD. Yeah, there we go. That's actually having an amazing pop, guys. AMD has been awesome today. Love that. I'm Fierce says, Good Friday, all. Yeah, there we go. Have a great day. Is today Good Friday? Let's see. Oh, no, that was on April 7th. I see what you're saying, though. It is a Good Friday. Nonetheless, nonetheless. You had me thinking it really was Good Friday, though. That's funny. SM says, "Hi, Tom. What about Apple, question mark?" Yeah, for sure. Let's check it out. Good old Apple. Yeah, Apple's actually having a pretty good day. I'll say Apple has some good momentum this morning. SM, I'm kind of leaning to the upside with it. Yeah, it's having some good momentum. You know, we have AMD running up. I will say the only thing with Apple is it ran up so much yesterday that it is a little worrisome just because it's up so much. But yeah, I'm Fierce says every day is a good day. Yes, you got that right. I'm Fierce. 100% every day is a good day. Only in some circumstances can you not say that. But yeah, either way, Apple's looking pretty good, I think. I love the way that we're moving up here. We're retesting 162.50 right now, and I think it looks like we're going to start breaking out. So if we see a big push up above 162.50, I think we can start to see some pretty positive movement out of a lot of these stocks. So be on the lookout. I really think that 162.50 will be a big level to keep your eyes on. So make sure you're watching that one very, very closely. Oh, now it looks like it kind of got rejected a little bit. Not good. Not good. Yeah, definitely not what you want to see. That's for sure. AMD still just consolidating up here at the top. I'm hoping it can keep going, but now it seems like it's getting a little bit overextended. So now I'm getting a little bit worried about a bit of a pullback or something like that going on. See that daily one more time. Come on, keep going, AMD. I want to see a nice push towards like 94 even. If we could just get to there today, I'll be really happy. I bought some calls yesterday before close, guys. Some pretty risky gambles. I really like the setup on AMD, so fired off some calls yesterday before close that expire on the on August 19th. They're up. Let's see what the one's up. Right now, it's up 13% only, though. I would have liked to see a larger move than that, but it's okay. Let's see. Elias says Apple 155 calls are booming for me. Nice, Elias. What kind of expiration you playing with those? Are you playing short term? You have August 19th like me, or are you going out even further? But glad to see they're booming for you either way. Hopefully you're playing those, and hopefully you're getting some nice pops on them. Power Sports says your AMD plays are usually very good. Yeah, I know, right? I don't know what's up with AMD, but it like calls my name. Like I like Intel better, and AMD still calls my name. Kind of freaky, but yeah, AMD does historically do fairly well. Hopefully AMD can hold up today, or else those calls are gonna get demolished real quick. Okay, so Elias is playing Apple 155 calls for August 12th. Nice, nice, Elias. Did you enter those today, or did you enter them yesterday before earnings? That'd be really cool. Ooh. Power Sport says that he's entered some SOXL shares. Need it above 21 soon. I've averaged down for months. Wow, SOXL. Let's go check that out. Needs it above 21. Yeah, I think that can definitely happen for you. SOXL has been beaten down, and whenever these chip stocks come back, SOXL will do pretty well. Obviously, though, it's a 3x bull, so you never want to get caught holding it too long. So be careful holding it too long, Power Sport, but I will say, it is coming back, and it's looking pretty good here. These are really hard things to play, these 3x bull ETFs. They're very tough. I've lost on them a lot in the past. I know a lot of people who also lose on them. They can be really good if you time things right, but if you don't time it right, it's very bad. Kind of like what you've seen lately. You probably timed it wrong, and now you've been kind of like stuck in it for a while. I know Sean Cornish keeps playing SOXS lately, and that thing, well, it's honestly been dying down, which is funny. For a while there, that thing was exploding for Cornish, I remember, but yeah, now it is starting to pull down. This thing will have some crazy intraday moves. For a while, this stock was just running up, and it wouldn't stop. Let's go see LabU for Cornish. Oh, it's starting to come down a little bit. JT or Jacob that says, if Amazon earnings were well, why did BABA drop? I'm a little curious. I don't know why BABA dropped. Let's see. Probably something with Apple. Power Sports says, thanks for covering that. I've been playing TQQQ and SQQQ as well. Yeah, those are also some hard ones to play, Power Sport. Rather than TQQQ and SQQQ, what I recommend playing, now this is just me, you don't have to do this, of course. Instead of those two, I prefer SPXL and then SPXS. Those are the two I prefer. So SPXS obviously goes down when the market goes up. SPXL goes up when the market goes up. And you can see SPXL has really been on fire, actually. Like in a pretty big way, better than SOXL has. Now, granted, these things follow the SPY, but either way, you can see that I think these ones are a little bit better. SPXL and SPXS. If you're looking to follow the market. Keisha says, nice setup on UPS. Is there? Let's see. United Parcel Service. Boom. We're breaking out above 190. Heading up to around $200 there. You're right. This is a pretty good setup, Keisha. Appreciate the call out there. The daily looks pretty good. Forming some good support. Running up. We are running up into resistance around 192 or 193. So be careful of that. But overall, hey, pretty good setup, Keisha. Thanks for the call out. Power Sports says, I'm putting SPXL and SPXS on my watch list now. Nice. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I like those. Some pretty good ways to play the market that way. But let's go in and see like why BABA dropped for JT here. He asked why BABA was down if Amazon did well. And one thing I will say, JT, is that Amazon and BABA are competitors pretty much. So I would say maybe that's why. I know Amazon obviously deals a lot more with the United States, but let me go check on my news why BABA's down. I bet we can get some pretty good stuff here. Let's see. Ooh. All right, so be ready. We have some big news with our fabulous president of the United States. So shares of Chinese stocks lower in pre-market following Biden-Xi discussions on Taiwan. China Commerce Ministry officials said China's foreign trade faces high risks, difficulties, and uncertainties. Jack Ma is also going to give up control of Ant Group, which is pretty big. So there's a lot of crazy news going on here. So the big first thing, obviously, is Jack Ma giving up control of Ant Group. That's going to be big for Alibaba, and that's probably why they're really going down today. But the fact that they're moving lower off of these discussions on Taiwan is definitely not good news, okay? Anytime that we're talking about Taiwan now, this is terrible because China's been kind of... I'm not going to come out with any like conspiracy theories or anything like that, but a lot of people have been saying that China might do to Taiwan what Russia did to Ukraine. And if that happens, we're going to see some pretty insane stuff happen. And I know Taiwan will probably put up a fight, although let's just say this, China has billions and billions of people that live there. So poor Taiwan's going to get walked over real quick. But nonetheless, I feel like BABA is going down off of that news with Taiwan. That is definitely bad news, and I'm surprised I haven't even heard about that sooner, actually. I'm going to go on CNBC right now, and if I don't see anything on the headline with this, I'll be a little upset. Let's see. Yeah, nothing. Nothing. They don't even want you to know about it. Yeah, I don't think they even want people to know. Let's see. Biden, Xi, Taiwan. Yeah, look at this crap, guys. Wow. Look at this. Come on, computer. It says, don't play with fire over Taiwan. China Xi warns Biden, don't play with fire. I mean, come on, that is pretty messed up. Wow. It's pretty bad, guys, not gonna lie. Yeah, that is not good. That's really killing Baba today. I mean, that is seriously bad news, guys. Wow. They're riding their masks while they're riding their bikes around. All right. Enough with China today, guys. Let's see. Now I want to see it again. Oh, China. I don't know how to feel about this situation with China, guys. I mean, I am just lost, you know? They tell us don't play with fire. Come on. It is hoped that the U.S. will be clear-eyed about this. I mean, come on. I mean, these guys are nuts, you know? We need to just, like, go over there and, man, we should have listened to Patton after World War II, you know, and went over and hit these countries. But either way, pretty crazy news here. Can't believe they're coming out and saying that type of stuff now, trying to start more wars and stuff. Definitely not good. Not good news. I definitely see why Baba's down now, guys. That is scary, actually. That news is pretty scary to me. SM says, is NP still planning to go to Taiwan? NP. Ooh, I might not be up on my terms here, but what is NP, SM? I should know, but I can't think right now what that is. Oh, Nancy Pelosi. Is that who you mean? That's probably who you mean, Nancy Pelosi. If you mean anything else, I'd be surprised. Iranical says, how to change settings on Thinkorswim for fixed delay. All right, here, Iranical, here, I got you, 100%. Let me pull up my settings real quick for you. All right. All right, so Iranical, if you're looking here, you can see right here, this is pretty much like what your default settings tab looks like. So you have to get to the settings tab first. I can't show it because it's on a different monitor. But just click the settings tab. It's on the top right, up where it says setup, up by the X at the top right of your screen. So all you got to do is, oh, I lost it. So all you got to do is just go here. You go to system. Yep, go to system. And then right here where it says quote speed, you do real time, no delay. No delay. Most of the time, it's on moderate max delay 3 seconds, I believe, for most people. And you're going to want to switch it to real time. Now, the reason that they do this is probably because of servers and stuff. If everybody was on real time, it would be a little bit messed up. So they do have it on like 3-second delay. I'm not sure exactly why they do it. I think that's the reason, but you know, either way, I think that this is it's really good to change that over to real time. So definitely do that. What else is there? There's also a couple other crazy things to look at. Yeah, you'll want to click this autosave layout too. Cool. But yeah, that's how you change it. I was just eyeing up some settings there. Got a little interested, but yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah, SM says good old Nancy. Yeah, yeah. I'm fierce says might have meant NP capitals. Yeah, yeah. There's the SPY though, guys. Right up at that high of day, about to break out. There we go. There we go. Guys, let me know your feelings on this China stuff. Do you guys think that this is good news, bad news, or what? I mean, this is pretty insane, actually. This is really bad news. And poor Baba is feeling it. Let's see on that daily how low Baba is now again. Wow, we're almost back down to lows. I feel bad for everybody who keeps buying into these China plays, but I will say I'm officially giving up on China, guys. I don't even care anymore. You know, I'm just gonna stick to U.S. stocks. Yep. I'm officially I'm officially done with China stocks now. Today put the nail in the coffin for me, guys. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, it's I'm done. I'm done. Baba can go it can get delisted for all I care now. Although if you guys have it, then I hope it stays, but you know what I'm saying. Oh man. I'm Fierce says I have been to Taiwan 2 times and have friends there. The downtown is crazy near Tower 101, but may have something to do with articles on JD Baidu possibly delisting because America not verify financials. Good idea. Let's go check in on some of those. Is there some news with JD in them? Yeah, no news with any of those other stocks today, though. I see what you're saying, though. That's definitely other big news for sure. Yeah. Probably faking on their earnings there. JT or Jacob Than says, Baba makes me want to give up on China. Yeah, me too. Mike Chang says, I really hope nothing escalates from China and Taiwan. I still have family in Taiwan. Wow, yeah. I mean, it's crazy. I can't believe that all this stuff is going on. And honestly, like, China's making me pretty upset here. I mean, they're kind of looking at Biden and they're just taking advantage of him being soft. You know, it sucks. It does suck. They are really gonna take advantage of this. Not good. Not good. This is what happens though whenever whenever somebody gets in that countries don't respect. This is exactly what happens. So I don't know what to say other than that, but it's it is what it is. Hopefully we learn in the next election and we do better. Honestly, I think any other of the Democrats would have been better over Biden. Like, man, we just had to pick the old guy, didn't we? There were so many, like, young ones over there. I don't know what there was. There was like Andrew Yang and all these other ones. I don't know who they all were, but man, they had to have been better. Yeah, it just sucks. Every country looks at us and they say they just don't care, you know? They know that he's not going to do anything. It's like, come on. Hopefully he does something, you know? Come on, like, China just told you don't play with fire in a phone call. Like, you should tell them don't play with fire, you know? Like, I would have said we're going to have to burn the dragon down or something, you know? You got to be able to stand up for yourself or at least stand up for Taiwan or something. Jeez. Either way. I'm done with my little rant on China. Sorry, guys. Going back to the SPY. SPY is popping up above 410 now. There we go. Up above 410. Everybody in Discord was talking about that as being a nice level of resistance this morning, and there we go. Up to 410 right now. Boom. Yeah, got that big move up. I'll take it. Yeah, there we go. Awesome move. Happened pretty quick, too. Ever since that dip at market open, we've been flying back up. Looking at the watch list, Amazon back up 12% now. Running back up to that high of yesterday. We have X or US Steel killing it after their earnings, which is great. CVX is running up. Let's see the chip stocks. AMD's holding up around highs. Nvidia is up there too. Let's go. Let's go. This is awesome. Yeah, this is amazing here. Definitely take that nice movement any day. Let's go. Glad to see stocks holding up. You know, it is getting a little bit overextended, and we're like not seeing any moves back down. So, yeah, just continuing to see awesome stuff happen. Great. Amazing setups. Give me 1 second, guys. Just gotta get a link for somebody really quickly in the private messages, and then I will be right back and good to go. Alrighty, sorry about that, guys, but I am back. Looking at my watch list though today, a lot of stocks are doing well again from the clean energy sector. Like RUN is still running up very well this morning, which is great to see. FSLR is up and moving. Enphase is up. I mean, hell, it's a great day. A lot of stocks moving. Glad to see them running up. Even the oil plays are up with the clean energy plays today. That's funny. All those oil earnings went fairly decently well today. So there we go. Awesome to see that. You'll see FSLR again because that thing is really running up. Actually, about to break out the highs with FSLR. That's amazing. Yeah, that really is amazing. There we go. Just broke out, guys. Just now broke on FSLR. Started moving higher. Broke above that high of day at 96.88. Now we're up to 97. Hopefully she keeps running up for us because it's been amazing. But yeah, other than China, let me know what other stocks you guys want to see today. Power Sport says I have AAL November and December $14 calls, but I'm down quite a bit still. Sorry, I got right into China there, Power Sport. Just skipped over your question there. But they said they have AAL November and December $14 calls, and they're down quite a bit. It depends when you bought, of course, but if you just bought recently, I think you're doing okay. I will say the airlines and cruise lines are in a sector where it is a little bit more worrisome than others to me. I like the setups. It's just overall, you know, it's going to be kind of hard to trade those, I think. Yeah, AAL is a tough one. Also, CCL, all those cruise lines, airlines, and everything in between like that are pretty tough to trade. I will say CCL, though, guys, is kind of forming a really good support down here at the bottom. Kind of like triple bottoming, actually. Like, look at this. It's had like 3 or 4 bounces down here at this level. Looks like it's on the 5-minute candle here. It's trying to extend back to the upside. Very weird setup, though. You know, like you can see it's been in a very weird, like W type of pattern here. It's been really crazy. And guys, don't forget to smash that like button if you're enjoying the live stream today. You know, it's been a pretty good day, so hopefully we're all in a nice mood here today. Besides China, that is. China's the only thing that made me a little upset today, but nonetheless, the rest of the market is doing pretty well. And as always, I appreciate everybody joining up. Hopefully we're having a great day. I'll be right back though. Yeah, I'll be right back. Just give me 1 minute. Gonna go ahead and throw the SPY back up here. Let's see what we're doing there. Now let's see how the SPY holds. Alrighty, guys, I am back. Sorry about that, but here we go. Back to the market here. Let me know what stocks you guys are watching. You know, I know we had China here going crazy earlier in the morning, but right now, you know, the SPY's holding up fairly well at 410. Definitely not looking bad. Let's see what else we got moving here on the watch list. Amazon's still up there, just holding steady up there around 12%. FSLR at like 11.3. So yeah, pretty crazy with those types of moves. Let's see. What else we got? Snowflake. Snowflake's starting to run up too, guys. Don't forget to look at them. We have Apple doing pretty well today. Apple's now looking like it's pointing back up, like we might try to go back up and retest like 163.50 or 164. I think that'd make for a pretty good move this morning if we did that. Chevron's up 7%. It's still going up intraday too. Yeah, these oil plays are really popping up after earnings. That's great. Yeah, but let me know what stocks you guys are day trading and looking at for sure. I'll check them out and we can see what type of setups are going here. Hopefully you guys are catching some good trades today. You know, so far the market's been pretty good. We've been seeing a lot of good moves come in. Oh man, A&D is now consolidating back down. We had that nice move though. We broke 92. You know, we broke 92, ran up to 93.75. There we go. Pretty good play today. That's great. Elliot says, thoughts on Chewy, please. Yeah, there we go. Let's go see. CHWI. Thoughts on Chewy. I really like Chewy, but for some reason they are consolidating down here pretty hard. Let's see that daily chart. Yeah, they recently had that big drop down. I don't like this setup, to be honest, Elias, and I really do like Chewy overall. I just don't like the current setup in the short term. I feel like over the next day or few days, we're going to see Chewy have some pretty insane moves. So I am a little bit worried about that. And then at the same time, we recently had that big drop. Yeah, I'm just worried about this one. I feel like we could end up going back down a little bit more. I will say it's holding at support right around 36. Maybe if you want to try to play it off that support, I think it could be pretty good, Elias, but honestly, it's just not my favorite setup right now. Like, for example, we look at a lot of other stocks in the market. Like, just look at Apple, just a good example. You know, like, they're really breaking out and moving up. And then we look at Chewy, and Chewy's staying a lot lower. You know, they're moving down a little bit. They're not really having the breakout to the upside that you want. Yeah, it's just not really doing too much today. I will say though, there's that big support at 36. It seems like it's holding. Ah, here we go. Here's a nice little intraday thing to look at. So intraday, there's like a nice resistance up around $39.50 or $40. Maybe you could like play a bit of a breakout here. You know, like just because Chewy's not really doing too much today. Maybe if it comes up and starts breaking this, you could like have a good day trade to the upside, or maybe like if it breaks there, have a nice like little 2 or 3 day swing or something. If it stays up, might not be a bad way to go about it. Actually, that's kind of what I would do. I think. Yeah, I think that's what I would do. SM says Tesla levels, and then JT says cost levels. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Yeah, let's go see Tesla here. Tesla is moving up in a huge way. Wow, guys, look at this breakout with Tesla. Ever since we broke out of the blue wedge that I posted, and trust me, I posted this a while, we've been really flying up. So great moves with that. That's actually a really good pop-up. There we go. There we go. Take that any day with Tesla. Boom. So yeah, so Tesla's popping. They're breaking out above this. They're running up into some big areas of resistance. So I see 880 on Tesla as a big level, guys. 880. So as we move up, just be wary of 880. That's going to be a pretty big level coming. Let's see. Yeah, 880. 880 for sure. That is a big level, actually. I'm 100% throwing a level on the chart at 880. That is big. So as far as Tesla levels, I think 880 is a great level, and then we have 840 in the short term as a good level too. So now that we're breaking off 840, I feel like we could have a pretty good move up to around 880. I don't think that that's impossible to happen today either. We've been seeing some pretty big moves this week, and I would not be surprised if we started running up to around 880. How much is Tesla already up, though, today? It's already up 2.4%. Yeah, I could see it going up more for sure. Definitely. But yeah, those are my levels there. 840, and now we have 880 right after this. As far as Costco, JT, let's go see Costco for you. I like this Costco move, actually. Costco is like right at resistance, JT, at like 540. Wow, this is pretty good. Let's see. Wow, going back, there's actually a lot of bounces around there. Yeah, I would say 540 in the short term, JT. Definitely eye that up. Yeah, definitely eye that up. I think that that'll be a really good possible breakout if you see a big move up through 540. I really like that level there, Jacob. So yeah, definitely eye that up. It looks really good to the upside in my opinion. And yeah, these retailers have been turning it around, starting to really move back. Look at Costco. Recently had lows of 412, and we're all the way back up to 537. It's actually like a nice 20% pop back up from the low. Oh, actually like 25%. So there we go. Really good moves, actually. Oh, this is fun. Sorry, guys. Just eyeing up some stuff here in the background really quickly. All right, so as far as those cost levels, JT, I hope I helped you out with those. Those are looking pretty good here today, nonetheless. It's been a pretty good week, though, guys. If you guys been liking this week, it's been a pretty good week, I think. You know, we've been seeing lots of moves up. You know, we've been seeing a lot of great plays come into the market. Obviously, right now, though, they're starting to slow down a little bit, which can be expected. You know, the market is up quite a bit over the past few days, and yeah, I'm not surprised to see it really falling back off a little bit, anything like that. Did my order go through? Yep. Jacob says, thanks, you reinforced my tries at finding my own levels. Nice, there we go. Hopefully I helped you out there. If you ever want to see anything else, just let me know, and I can look it up for you. I can do a lot of shorter term stuff and stuff like that too, so let's go see what else we have moving today. I'm going to look at my watch list one more time, see what's running up to the top. FSLR is now beating out Amazon at the top. FSLR. Wow, look at FSLR intraday. This has been amazing. FSLR. Wow, that is a big move. Big move up with FSLR. Yeah, this is awesome with FSLR. Really running up to 99.80 at the top there. That is a huge run, guys. I mean, 2 huge, amazing days with FSLR right after we had that big bill talk about a deal happening between Manchin and Schumer last night. Here, I think I still have it up. Oh, I deleted it. Damn. I'll get it, though. I'll get it. Hang on. CNBC, clean energy. All right. Here we go, right here. Boom. Schumer and Manchin announced climate spending deal. $369 billion in funding, guys. $369 billion in funding for climate and clean energy provisions. I mean, that is insane. This is going to help out so many companies. I mean, come on. That is huge. $369 billion. And this is going to be a huge package. It's going to be called the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022. Inflation Reduction Act. So yeah, we'll have to see how that goes, but that is really, really cool there. Inflation Reduction Act. Interesting. Yeah, the entire clean energy industry just breathed an enormous sigh of relief. I don't know why they breathed a sigh of relief, but it is what it is. Guys, if you guys are listening to this, go check out the Profits channel in the Discord right now. There's some pretty funny stuff going on in there. I threw a picture up of Mike in there. I think you guys will laugh at it if you guys see it. Brian T says, "Do you look at crypto?" I definitely do. I don't trade it though. Like I don't get into it too much, but I look at it. Like, see, I can just go here, BTC, USD, boom, there it is. I know I've been kind of watching Bitcoin hold around 20K down here at the bottom. Yeah, right around 20K. It's been pretty good so far. Been holding. Hopefully it continues to move back up off of 20K. I'm not sure that this is necessarily the low yet on Bitcoin, but nonetheless, though, it's really consolidating down there a lot. Brian, I don't really look at any of the crazier cryptos like like the shitcoin and all that stuff. I look at, maybe like Bitcoin. I look at Ethereum, XRP. Hell, you might even count XRP as like a crap coin or whatever. I don't know. There's just a lot of there's so many cryptos out there now. It's kind of insane. But either way, though, I like to look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, just the main ones. Stuff like Litecoin, LTC, stuff like that. I feel like it'll be pretty good. JT says, "Did you do Apple levels yet?" Yeah, I thought I did, but I'll do them again for sure. For sure. Let's go check it out. AAPL. I'll do it again. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. Maybe I forgot, JT. Ooh. Let's see. Apple's like having some interesting moves here. So last night, Apple got high. They ran up to that high of 164. 164. Yeah, it doesn't look like that's really a big resistance historically. At 160. Oh, maybe. Let's see, 164. Either way, it's going to be a good level to post. Let's see. Now I need to adjust it. Now I messed it up. All right, here we go. Yeah, so I'm seeing 164 JT, and then I'm going to put more lines at other places I believe to be big areas. Boom, we got one there. We have another one at 167. Yeah, that's going to be another big level up there. 167 for sure. Or somewhere really close to it. Maybe even like 166.60 or something. Anywhere close to there, though. And then I have another one up there around 170. Yeah, so there's some pretty big levels coming in here for Apple. Support down around 160 here, so Yeah, these are the levels I'm watching, JT, right here. Just put them all on the chart for you. Here's that 5-minute chart. Oh, wow. It actually lined up perfectly with that pre-market level. There we go. Oh, you're good, JT. I think it was me. I'm Fierce says super profits pick. Yeah. That was funny in there, wasn't it? I'm Fierce. I've had that picture on my computer forever. Let me hold on. I'm gonna see if I can find out when I downloaded this thing. It's actually on a flash drive from past computers. That's how old it is. Oh, wow. Hmm. Let's see. Trying to do something here. Oh, man. Alrighty. Oh, I hope you guys had a really good day today on the stream. I feel like it was a pretty good day overall and really good week. I feel like we had a lot of things go on in the market that were pretty exciting, obviously. Apple is just kind of really consolidating up here at the top right now. I'm hoping that we can break out above 164. JT, that's going to be a big level there, 166.60 after that. So be on the lookout. That's going to be the big move that we're kind of waiting for here. But looking at the market overall, guys, it's been a pretty good week, like I said. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And as always, have a great rest of your day. I'll be here next week, so keep that in mind. If you guys want to see any more plays or anything like that in the morning, I'll be here every day when the market's open. So tell your buddies, we'll be here. We'll be having some fun. So, yeah, have a great rest of your day, guys. Keep killing it. And as always, post those profits in the Profits channel.